Are you looking for a free way to earn money online? Discover how you can turn your spare time into cash by testing apps. In this video, we'll delve into a straightforward platform that pays you for providing feedback on various apps. Don't miss out on this opportunity to make money from the comfort of your home. Join us and unlock your earning potential today. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss our amazing money-making methods. We offer global opportunities for online earning. Comment your country below for region-specific videos. Now, let's get started. Earn money while shaping the future of your favorite apps. Crowdville is your gateway to becoming a vital part of product development. Sign up to test pre-release apps from top brands in telecom, banking, and media. Provide valuable feedback and report bugs, all while getting paid for your insights. Imagine not just using apps, but also having a say in their improvements. By participating in Crowdville, you'll earn rewards while engaging with like-minded individuals who share your passion for technology. Crowdville is a cool platform where you can test out apps, share your feedback, and report any bugs you find. It's all about getting involved and helping improve products while having some fun along the way. Crowdville's got a cool way for making some extra cash, just by testing out apps before they hit the market from big names in telecom, banking, and media. Plus, you can rack up more bucks through referrals and stay in the loop with community chats and updates. When you join Crowdville, you get to take part in their missions, which is basically how the site earns its cash. In the tech world, missions are pretty common and usually involve testing out apps and giving feedback to earn some cash. Most of the time, you'll be checking out apps that aren't even launched yet because developers want to make sure everything's running smoothly before they go live. A mission usually has a couple of parts. First, there's the survey bit where you share your thoughts on how the app is working for you. Then if you're up for it, you can dive into finding bugs in the app. Want to make some extra cash? Just invite your friends to join Crowdville. When they sign up, you snag a cool 5% commission on whatever they earn. Easy money, right? Join Crowdville today and start earning money by testing apps that matter. Sign up now and unlock exclusive access to the latest products before anyone else. Before we wrap up, we have a quick request for you. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends who might also be interested. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.